Hello, today I would like to present you how to use Soldier portable charger with 24 volt DC installation, and this is going to be absolutely beautiful if you've got a solar panels, pretty beefy one, or if you are using like a vehicular installation where you've got access to 24 volt, then you can use this charger directly from DC and you've got a small saving of power that is being lost by use of the AC, so DC is going to be more efficient. This battery is 15 amp hour and got 360 watt hour, so absolutely do not expect it to be able to recharge your two batteries, but this is just a demonstration on my desk, so you can take a look. The first thing that you need is of course 24 volt DC source, which is absolutely more wide and it accepts 22 to 28 volt, so it is a pretty common standard for 24 volt installation. Second, you need this military cable, and here you've got the model number, here you can see, and the name of the cable is 24 volt input power, and you've got the product number. Here is the model, you can Google it up and order. Alternative way, you could make it yourself. This is the plug, and let me show you the model of the plug, just in case you can get the plug itself cheaper. Then here you've got the model number. Just take a look. And this is how it presents. On the other end of our cable, we've got those two lug terminals, and one is ended up with negative mark, other positive, and you are of course going to connect them to corresponding battery. If you take a look at the Soldier portable charger, here we've got the DC input side. This is our socket, and here we've got a hole, and here we've got a key, and we are going to be mating them together, so there is only one way to do it right. And we are going to be nicely screwing it down, just like that, because on DC we need to have a good connection, because they will be a quite high current. If we've got any technical problems, here is DC fuse that you need to press in case it pop out, and this is our DC switch. So first we are going to turn it on just like that, and we are going to see the idle current. The charger started, we've got the power indicator, it goes through the self-test. First we are going to be measuring voltage on our battery, so let's go into DC and we are going to check our voltage. We are at 26.5 volts, so we are going to be using for our calculations that our idle current is around 1 amp, as you can see it fluctuating, but we can assume it is 1 amp, so our charger at idle use around 26 watts by just blowing air and having the circuitry running. And now I'm going to be attaching those two military batteries. As you can see by the indicators, they are pretty discharged, so we should get a full power in. And we nicely start it up. And now we can observe we've got a self-test running. We are pulling around 1 amp. Batteries are being detected. And when they lock and got solid color, then we are recharging them at full current. So let's give it a moment. Let them detect the both sections. We've got solid. We've got solid, and now the current should be rising. we've got 4 amp, 5 amp, 6 amp, 7 amp, 8 amp, 9 amp, and as you can see, it stays. So we've got less than 10 amp, we've got 8 amp. We can multiply 26 volt times 8 amp. We are pulling 208 watt from this beautiful battery, and we are recharging this battery. Is absolutely beautiful. So this is how you do it, and in my personal opinion, we've got less losses on the DC input than if we would just use the AC. So if you've got a solar panels, that's absolutely the way to go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.